Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. Back with a part 2 of my TV remote. I'm going to show you this little thing here in action. So we got the 1925 TV here. Now this remote will work on the newer TVs, the flat screen LEDs, LCDs. I have tried it and it seemed to work alright. So let's see if it'll work on this ancient thing here. So we're just going to hold this button in here and we'll see what happens. And there we go. Now if we hold it in here, we should be able to turn this back on. So, and there we go. So this little guy here, man, works out pretty well. So I changed the wiring on it a little bit. I had the switch here, but for some reason it was like a constant hot. I don't know if there's something wrong or what. So I just soldered on my power leads here where it shows you to anyway. Then I just hooked up another switch myself in between the batteries, so I just have to hold it in now, which I kind of like anyway. So just hold it in while it's running through the codes. But other than that, I mean, this bad boy works out pretty good. So I guess if you want to irritate some stores by turning off all their TVs, this is one way to do it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.